Hello everyone. Today I brought really yummy lemon chicken for you. Um, for this lemon chicken I need lemon juice, which is I got it from my backyard garden. So that is fresh. So I need for this recipe lemon chicken korma. I need lemon juice, chicken about 2 kilo or 2 piece 14 size, yogurt, uh, garam masala, green chili, um, onion flakes, onion cut, a paste, garlic paste, and ginger paste, salt, and green chili as you like. So the green chili is, now you can see this is also from my backyard garden, fresh and green. So now I'm going to put some oil, say about half cup, and then garam masala, which is cardamom. Sorry, it's just a all this garam masala is mixed, and cumin seed. So just fry a little bit, about a few seconds, so it gets a lot of perfume. Then I added onion cut, about 2 or 3 onions. It's a bigger size is 2. If it is medium size, 3. So I cut it very thinly. I just frying them about a few minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes. And then if you want to brown it, I am actually doing it brown, make it brown so it looks more flavor and smell good. So it's becoming, you can see that it's become a little brownie or biscuity color. So keep frying it, and once it's fried done, so I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. It's brown sugar about 1 tablespoon, so it gets whole aroma with tangy sweet taste. So now adding all this marinade, lemon juice and yogurt marinade chicken. So that looks perfect, looking beautiful. So once we have, I added 2 chicken here, or you can, it depends on what is the chicken size. So 2 chicken, I believe 1 kilo, so about 2 kilo or plus. So mainly 2 chicken I use, which is usually say 14 size. Just all this, and then I added a little bit more juice in it. So when I marinate, I added about teaspoon lemon juice. Now I'm adding another 1 teaspoon lemon juice in it. So it gives a lot of yummy taste, because brown sugar and lemon juice really gives excellent taste. So it looks good. I'm just turning over the chicken, so all the spices gone through inside, so that way chicken would be tastier. So I believe all whoever is watching my video, already you have feeling like when it's going to finish anyway. So that is, I just put the lid on about 10-12 minutes, and then I'm adding butter. so it will be more tastier. So once butter dissolved, after that I'm adding a nut, which is very little nut. It's called, I think it's called a different name. You can see I'm adding this name of the boxing it on the box. So I'm also adding resin. So it will be, this is the box I was talking about. This is a natural pine nut, basically called. It's very little. And now I'm adding a fry onion. So that will be very tasty altogether. And the color will be light brown. All korma's color will be light brown. So it's important to add this brown or fried onion. At this time I'm adding chili. It's up to you how much you want to add. So I added only 4 or 5 because it is for all people, especially children. They don't love to have too much chili or spicy. Now I'm adding extra normal sugar, and as I said before, I'm adding a little bit lemon juice again to make the taste really good, and you can feel it when you try this chicken. I will request you guys try this chicken at home, and especially kids love it. So look at this gravy. It's already getting a gravy or more thick gravy. So it's almost nearly finished or about to finish. Once this done, now I'm adding milk, just normal milk, to make more tasty. So just to check on the chicken, all cook well and all the spices going inside. So I hope that you will love this lemon chicken korma. Look at this, the color is so beautiful. Almost going to be finished soon, and you can eat it with the rice, pilau, also with bread or roti. So it's a more beautiful smell coming, and a lot of perfume coming. So I believe you will enjoy it, and hopefully let me know in the comment how you like it, or any comment to add. So I will do that. Thank you guys.